Welcome back to Car Reviews, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of automobiles. But today, we have something special, something that combines power, luxury, and innovation. This is the Sherdil Tractor 2025, a machine designed for the modern farmer who demands both performance and style. At first glance, you can tell this isn't an ordinary tractor. Just look at that aggressive front grille, those stylish LED headlights, and the aerodynamic body design. This isn't just a workhorse, it's a statement. The glossy red finish adds a premium touch, making it stand out whether it's in a field or a high-end showroom like this one. Under the hood, the Sherdil Tractor 2025 packs a powerful XYZ turbo diesel engine capable of delivering outstanding torque and fuel efficiency. Whether you're plowing fields, hauling loads, or maneuvering through rough terrain, this machine is built to handle it all with ease. Now, let's talk about comfort and control. The fully air-conditioned cabin comes with adjustable leather seats, a touchscreen infotainment system, and an advanced digital dashboard. This means you can monitor every aspect of performance with just a glance. The Sherdil Tractor 2025 isn't just about raw power, it's about precision. With power steering, an automatic transmission option, and smart AI-based assistance, operating this machine feels effortless. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or new to the game, this tractor makes everything smoother. And let's not forget the heavy-duty hitching system, capable of handling multiple implements with ease. The reinforced chassis and advanced suspension ensure stability, even on the toughest terrains. So, who is this tractor for? If you're looking for power, luxury, and technology wrapped into one, the Sherdil Tractor 2025 is your answer. Whether it's large-scale farming, commercial use, or just making a bold statement on your land, this is the tractor that redefines modern agriculture. That wraps up our in-depth look at the Sherdil Tractor 2025. Let us know in the comments what you think about this beast. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Reviews for more amazing content. Until next time, drive safe and stay powerful.